Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see from the lower time frame perspective, we can see the dollar yen currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture. Looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly perspective, we can see the dollar yen after this previous monthly bullish candle this month. The price tried to break this long-term monthly resistance. From that resistance we saw that there was a strong rejection on dollar yen. Now with that rejection, the price is now coming back to this monthly support zone. We saw that quite a few monthly candle has formed this trend line, and highly likely that as dollar yen has failed to create a new higher high, we might see this price coming down to create a new lower low. If you look at the weekly time frame, we can see that there is a long wick doji here from the weekly and created this impulse, followed by we saw that there was a bullish impulse to that level, and the price failed to create a new higher high, instead created a lower high. Because it failed to create a higher high, we could see it might come down to create a new lower low. Now if we look at the monthly back, what we see that this is the monthly low, that highly likely that from the weekly perspective that it might be broken to the downside to grab liquidity to break this high, as we see that the market failed to create a higher high, and therefore it needs a huge liquidity to break this resistance level. If we look at the daily, we can see that from the daily perspective as well, we saw there was a double top formation with a lower high on the right side. So with the double top formation, dollar yen has a rejection. This is the daily channel that we have seen that dollar yen was respecting for a long time, and that channel has broken to the upside. Now we saw that immediate rejection. Now with that rejection, what we can expect now, dollar yen to come down to break this low. This is the weekly support zone that we are expecting dollar yen. As you can see, the price already has broken this previous resistance here, and also resistance here below this level, also below this support level that on the daily time frame has broken all this recent level. Highly likely that dollar yen will continue to drop to this level, even to break this low to grab liquidity before trending to the upside. Now if we look at further lower time frame, we can see that dollar yen after creating a head and shoulder in that important level has broken down. Every time the price was grabbing liquidity and then dropping towards the downside. Now this is the last candle that you see that has broken all this support and resistance. What we can expect on dollar yen upon closing of this candle to give us a bit more pullback to the upside. Now this is the recent level that we can see that the price has broken along this zone. If we see that after retest of this previous support here as a resistance, if we see significant rejection on dollar yen, we can consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also drop a comment below. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.